Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents Learning Elementary Biology for classes 6 to 8. Theme-based and conceptual understanding focused, the textbooks adopt an investigative approach to learning biology. Fully NEP and NCF 2023 aligned, Learning Elementary Biology features online resources such as video lessons, interactive exercises, chapter-wise exercises, and more that allow learners to go the extra mile in their learning journey. Let's explore what sets Learning Elementary Biology apart. Every chapter begins with a list that clearly lays out what learners will take away from the chapter. Topics are connected to each other to bring logical flow, making it easier for learners and teachers to follow through the chapter. Every topic is explained in a simple and relatable language in the book. Learners finding the text difficult to follow can simply scan the QR code against the topic and start learning instantly from video lessons. A good explanation makes a concept easily graspable, but a good diagram or image makes it clear, sticks it in your memory, and allows quick revision. That's why wherever possible, topics are explained using diagrams. Key ideas summarize a lengthy topic in a box just beside the topic, capturing the main points or ideas and allowing learners to go over the topic quickly. These boxes feature additional information, amazing facts, and trivia that connect learning to the exciting and wonderful world of biology. Biology studies living organisms and their processes. Observing and asking why is essential for understanding biological processes. For that, investigation boxes in every chapter feature a step-by-step and easy guide to learn by experimenting. Learning biology is understanding plus retention. Practice exercises in Learning Elementary Biology are designed to develop conceptual understanding and be long-lasting in your memory. Multiple choice questions are designed to help in recalling important information. Case study-based questions allow the application of conceptual understanding by working on real-life-based problems. Assertion-reason type questions sharpen logical clarity. Art integration-based exercises encourage learners to engage in art-based activities. Inquiry-based questions encourage learners to seek out knowledge beyond the curriculum. And QR-accessible worksheets at the end of each chapter allow extra practice. Teachers need effective resources for effective teaching. Teachers can access the Learning Elementary Biology ebook and Teacher's Resource Book for in-depth answers to textbook questions that also help in formulating easily comprehensible explanations. Learning Elementary Biology offers an explorative journey to discovering the world of living beings around us with its learner-centric approach, real-life-based learning, rigorous practice exercises, and quality online resources. Learners will develop understanding and acquire knowledge that will help them make sense of the world around them. Check out the Learning Elementary Biology series on our website meritbox.app and start learning anytime, anywhere, at your own pace.